IUPAC names of organic compounds mainly consist of several points. If we put them together, we get the complete IUPAC name. Few points we are going to discuss out here. For example, we have word root that tells us word root tells us about the number of carbon atoms. For example, if we have 1 carbon, the word root is meth. If you have 2 carbons, eth, 3 carbon, prop, 4 carbon in the compound, bute, 5 carbon in the compound, pent, 6 carbon in the compound means hex, 7 is hept, 8 is oct, 9 is non, 10 is dec, undec, dudec, tridec. We go on like that. So we must know the root words. So we have to remember the root words, what we call according to number of carbon atoms. Next comes primary suffix. Primary suffix tells us which type of bond is present between carbon or which category of hydrocarbon it is. If it is a saturated hydrocarbon, we will have primary suffix as ane. If we have a double bonded hydrocarbon, that is alkene, we will have a suffix, primary suffix as ene, and if triple bonded compound is there, we will have yne, ine, right. So these are primary suffix. Then comes secondary suffix. Secondary suffix are obtained from functional group. For example, if we have a functional group OH, the suffix is OL, all. If we have the functional group as COOH, carboxylic acid, we will have suffix as oic acid. If we have CHO, the suffix is al. So suffix depends on which type of functional group do we have. Alright. So if we just know these points, it will be easier for us to name the organic compound. Alright. So that is what we need to understand. If it is a single bonded, then we CC single bond, then we name it as ane. If double bond is present, ene, triple bond, ine. Similarly, if we have formulas, from formulas you can determine which category of compound does it belong to. We will have root word, then ane, ene, ine according to primary suffix. Then we will have the secondary suffix which comes from the functional group. In hydrocarbons we do not have functional group, so only we will have root word, then ane, ene or ine. Alright. For example, if I take this compound, so there is a 4 carbon alkene. So how many carbons do we have? 4. So for 4 the root word is bute, and for double bond we have a primary suffix ene. So the name will be butene. Alright. Similarly, if we have, let us say, 5 carbon atoms and we have a triple bond, the name root word is pent and primary suffix is ine. So the name is pentine. Similarly, we will have many more as we move ahead. Thank you.